Hello everyone. Again, it's going to be 9 o'clock today here. So first of all, we will check the markets. So market will open here in just a minute. So almost there is a mixed response. Dow Jones was only negative, and in Asian market, Taiwan T-Sec 50 is in negative. Rest were all positive, not that too much. So it's 9 o'clock, and I'm going to my Zerodha app right here, and we will see what's going to how much points the market opened. Okay, so the market opened around 150 points up. So that's a really good sign. Then my main focus is on Nifty Bank because I always trade on that one. I'm going to the holding here. So I have these holdings 15232. We will see how much profit we will get after today's profit and loss minus 40. Okay, it will update at 9:15. So time is right now 9:07, and you can see the Nifty 50 is around 31 points up from a high of 131 points. Now it is around 30 points up. Nifty Bank is 92 points up. So today now you can see the profits in the portfolio. It just increased from like 15,000 something to 2,680 rupees. That is today's profit and loss, 1.69% up. So market is open right now. You can see Nifty Bank is 60 points up and Nifty 50 is 12 points up. So I took a C position for 17 December. It is for today expiry at 30,800 here, and I got it for 96. Right now Nifty Bank is negative only. Nifty 50, okay, Nifty Bank is going up. We need to check today's expiry. However, not much money is involved. I will show you only like 2400 rupees because I took just only a single lot, and I can see is increasing, and as of now I can actually book 500 rupees, 600 rupees profit right away, but I will wait. Now it's 50 points up, and second candle has started. It's going up, so we will wait. So I took another C position of 30,900 C, and right now you can see the first one is in loss, the second one is in a little bit of profit, and if it doesn't go my way, then I will be in a full loss here. However, not much money is involved, just 4,000 rupees. So you can see the third candle. So after the second bearish candle, so a red candle is coming up. However, it's bullish, but it just started, so we will see, and I will continue to monitor the positions here, and we will try to book at least 1,000 rupees profit, or maybe loss. I will keep holding it even if the loss is higher till 12 o'clock. It's 9:35 here, and as you can see I went into a loss of around 900, then it came back. Now it is showing a little bit of profit. Bank Nifty is up 7 points. Okay, now it is recovering back. Okay, that candle is not a good sign, the latest one. 30,700 right now. You have to see how far it can go. Okay, so I'm targeting like 500 rupees in the 3900 C. That means it should go up till 74, 20 points up. But Nifty Bank should reach like 3750 or something, then only it can go till that point. 941, and Nifty is 30 points up. So 1 hour, let me make it 5 minutes. You can see the 5 minutes candle. It's going up as of now. but it's not, this 30,900C is not even reaching 70. It reached up to 65. You can see here Nifty Bank is moving up, quickly. You can see the graph here. It took a very big candle here. It is green one. Now it is 3750 up, 3766 and all that. And I'm ready to book profits here. Okay, especially this one. How far can it go? We will see how far it can go. So it's almost reaching our target of 75, 74 almost. Purchased on 54. Now the 5-minute graph is still showing a very good sign. So I will have to wait here. So I have set the limit for Bank Nifty 3900C at 75. So once it reaches 75, then it will sell automatically. And I will keep holding this one, that is 3800C. Right now it is 3767, 766. So I will keep holding this one and we will check how far it can go. And I want to book 500 rupees in this 3900C. Okay, it's increasing, 73, 74, 74, 75, and I think I just got 506 rupees. So Bank Nifty continues to go up, then at least I will get profit from the first one that I took. I want to make at least 1,000 rupees here. So 96. I'll have to see how far it can go. If Bank Nifty pushes 100 points up at least, then it will easily reach, okay, 1,000 rupees profit I can see right now here. That's a very good sign. This candle just started here at 950 and it's going up. Even though the price is coming down, but this is going up. $37.53. Okay, I will keep monitoring it and I will sell the same at around 500 if I don't see any kind of a bigger momentum. However, it's a good momentum here that Bank Nifty is showing right now, but greed is not good. Okay, it's pushing it harder. 764 here, and but still it's 72 points up, 73, and Nifty 50 27 points up. It's 956 here, and you can see Nifty Bank is still going up at 3765, but only 64 points up. Nifty 50 is 34 points up here, and it is, my positions are hovering around the same here. I don't know whether it will go up or no, but right now signs are very positive here. Especially the 5-minute graph is showing a very good sign here. Let me check the 30 minutes. Even the 30 minutes is showing a little bit bearish, but still very positive. So once it reaches 1000, then I will close it. I will set the limit at 116 right now. Okay, exit, limit 116, placed. Okay, now if you go to order, pending at 116, right now it is at 112. Okay, it's coming. 108. Okay, once it executes, then I will come back and then I will see what are the positions that I can take, or if the market bounces back to negative, then I will take a P position. So I sold it at 112 because I was not seeing a very positive sign here. So sold at 112.50, taking a profit of 412 rupees. So I will be showing here Bank Nifty graph. Now these candles are leveling up, so there is a chance that this will go down. Is as per my experience, there is a high chance that it will again go back to the other levels like 37 to 5 or 3700. So we will see. We will take a P position. Okay, it's going up, so we will take a P positions once I feel like when it's about to go down or something like that, maybe after just a few 5-minute candles here. Anyways, even if it goes up against my, okay, it's reached 115 easily. Okay, still I booked a profit of 918 rupees, as you can see, in just like half an hour or maybe 45 minutes here, from 9:15 to 10 o'clock. On just an investment of like 4000 rupees here, I made around 918 rupees. So we will wait and we will check what can be done after a few more minutes. So I just took a P position here for today's expiry only, that is 17th of December, 3800 PE. So I am expecting the market to go down a little bit. Okay, it's even going down. So we will see at how far at and what level it can go down. So the time that I just took, few seconds before the order that I took, it wasn't red, it was making more of a green, something like that. It was on this candle, the previous one, but the MACD was showing a little bit of red, this red candle kind of thing. So I just took it. So let me now I have to check at how far it can go down, or maybe it will bounce back again. So the candles were leveling up at I already told you, few minutes before that it might go down from here. So we'll see how much profit can we book, or maybe if it goes against us, then how much loss can I take here. Again, not much money is involved here, only like 3961 rupees only. So hopefully if I can take another 500 from here, it will be really good. Still, it's a bit bullish sign here on this candle. Okay, again our target will be just 500 rupees from this one, that is 3800 P. So 158, that means 168, 178. So maybe if it even reaches 175, I will sell it, because today is the expiry. So it is not really good to actually take it, hold it for many minutes. 54.75 right now, it is 64 here. Okay, if the market bounces back, then this will go into negative. However, I already took around 900 profit, so I can go till 900. Okay, it's just showing a very bullish sign on the 5-minute candle. Not too much, but even little bit. So I am hoping that it will come till 725, but it's still not a very good sign. It might go up. Okay, I will come back again after a few more minutes. Then we will see what's happening here with my positions. 54 points up. Okay, still only, it's hovering around the same point here. What happened to my holdings here? 30 17 509. Not much improvement today, even, a bit of decrease here. 2217 just because of Suven Life Sciences here, because I have around 440 quantities here and it increased by like 5%. That is 5 points here. So I set the limit for this one, that is 3800p, as at 175, and you can see the graph here that it actually bounced back, just like this. So I'm showing you a bank nifty graph for 17800p. What is showing for 17800p? Probably internet is not coming. Okay, now I'll be showing you the graph for bank nifty here. You can see that red candle that it made. So I set it at 175, then I put it in my pocket and it reached up to 190. So I took just a profit of around 413 rupees. Still our total profit and loss for today is 1332. Okay, I'm thinking of taking a C position for 24th of December expiry here. That is, I am thinking of taking maybe 24th 900C. Okay, so I will wait for this graph to go further down. It's not going down, it's going up, but I will still wait. It's going up, so I will wait for it to, or maybe I will purchase it. Limit completed. So I just took a C position for 24th of December expiry, that is 13900, and we will see how far it can go, and I will actually hold it. So I exited the order at 415. As you can see right now 415, it went up, you know, pretty very quickly. Bank Nifty is going up, but I took the order and I completed at 415. I didn't want to take too much as of now. Still it's going up like 416 and all that. Okay, so no problem from my side. I took a nice position. I took a 30,800 PE position here, as the Bank Nifty is actually really up at 30,900. So I took around 3,800, expecting it to go even few points down, so that I can make, you know, like 500 rupees or something. Not much money is involved, around 8,000 only. So we will see how much profit can be made, or how much, you know, money can be lost here. Now as you can see, I am making a profit in the B position here. We will see at how far, you know, how down can it go, or it will, you know, bounce back a little bit in the downward side. So right now the time is 1:24, and as you can see, the position that I took in the afternoon, this is afternoon only, but the position I took, I don't know, maybe around 1.5 hours before, that is 3,800p, when I sold this one at 415 or 410, I guess 415. So I took this one because the Bank Nifty went very high, so I took the P position right from there. So it came down, you know, but I was driving bike and all that, so I could not sell it. You can see the lower point here. Okay, I need to check the graph. So you can see, if I make it day 1, so you can see at this spike that went up to like 367 or something like that. I could have sold that one if you know, I was at home, but I was driving the bike. I went for servicing it. So anyways, missed chance. Still I can book profits here, like 344.90. I can book some good profits, and we have to see what Bank Nifty is doing here. If it goes further, you know, like 3850, then we have a chance of I have a chance of making good profit here. So I will keep monitoring the position. It's right now at 179, and today Airtel is not working. You can see 2G is coming now, that's why it is not updating. It's 141 now, and you can see it's still hanging around at the same level, that is 3896, or you can say 3900, around 200 points up. Nifty is 76 points up, so it is hanging around you know, at that level only, so that, you know, sometimes the profits in the first, that is 3800p, it's decreasing, then it's increasing. That's what's, you know, happening during this, you know, in this time. So we have to see till 3:30, or maybe, you know, till 3:15, so that I can, you know, I want to actually sell this position today itself. I don't want to drag it to tomorrow. I was thinking of, you know, holding it, but I don't want to drag this P position because market looks, you know, kind of bullish. So I don't want to drag this one. I will start, you know, fresh tomorrow. Okay, it's dropping. We'll see how far it can go. 349, 351, come on, 50. So I have a pending here at 365, which is too much, I guess. Or maybe another candle will do the trick here. 3874, but it's not dropping. Come on. $38.92. Needs to go up to like 38.60. $345 here. Maybe I need to lower it a little bit, around 355 or something like that. Or should I wait for another candle? If you are watching this video till here, please comment below what would you have done in this situation, whether to sold it at 350 or wait till it reaches 360 or 365. That's going up, 76 points up, 344. $326, $336, $346. Okay, for 500 it should reach $346. Okay, now it's going up. Okay, it made another 5-minute candle here. It's going down. However, overall it's up 182 points. 38.883. I need a spike here towards the downside up to 38.60 to take a good profit out of this situation here, so that I can close this position today. But it's not going down. What was the highest here? Okay, let me view the chart. It went up to like 352 or 353. Okay, I will show you when after a few minutes if I am able to sell it at a higher price. So it's 326 now. So I sold my position that I took, that is 3800p, I guess. So I set the limit at 352 and I slept, and as soon as I slept, you can see the graph here. It went up to 380 or maybe 390 something. I could have sold it at 370 at least. These two green candles that you see in the middle, but I slept during that time. However, it sold automatically at 352 that I set here. So right now it is at 373. Anyways, 630 profit here. So overall today's profit ends at 3,917 rupees, and holdings 6959. Okay, holdings have gone down a bit. Still today's profit and loss over 1709 rupees. So thank you for watching today. Please subscribe my channel. Come back tomorrow for another video.